The BERNINA 790 Pro is equipped with a laser light. Now this little laser light is activated in this bottom corner, and when you touch it, you're going to see exactly where the needle is going to pierce the fabric on its next stitch. So as you take a look at the stitch I've picked on screen, you're going to notice that the little dot is the first stitch, and as it moves, it will then move the laser to follow the entire decorative stitch. Now, we love the laser when we are working with decorative stitches, and if you haven't already checked out all of our options with our Stitching Cosmos online course that is all done with decorative stitches and accessory feet, you will find that we're going to use that laser throughout the course. Since I have this on board, I am now turning it on as soon as I start to sew, and it's just a great little reference. So right here, I can make sure that I'm either lined up with a line I've drawn or a previous stitch, or even to connect stitches together, I could actually bring that over and actually be right on the last location, and no more having to turn the hand wheel down every time I want to see if that's where it's going to go. Now there's going to be tons of places you're going to use the laser light for applique, or even look at this. If you are sewing a button on and you have the number 18 button sew on foot, you'll be able to actually place that over the holes and then shine the light down through a hole, and you will know exactly that you're going to be going down through the hole and not stepping on the button. I mean, gosh, talk about time saver this laser is going to do. And of course, when we get to embroidery, when you want to see if your design is connecting to a previous design, so you can perfectly line up multiple designs together, or if you're just wanting to make sure that you're starting at the corner of a block, if you're doing some embroidery quilting with your embroidery machine, it's so versatile. So once again, that little corner, all you have to do is touch it. Your light is going to turn on and it's going to follow where your needle stitches. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it's capable of doing. This perfection sure emphasizes the ability of being able to use the laser to follow exactly where you want to go. Check out all of our videos in the links below, as well as our online courses. We've got free videos for you to watch to see if those courses are right for you.